I've had to take out this toilet to investigate a smell, and the bolts that hold the toilet down, they snapped. One got stuck in this knot here, and this is the other one. So if the head shears off your screw, if you can get it exposed, the best and easiest way to get it out is to use these. These are called mole grips or locking grips. The way these operate, you need to screw this and then that will close them up tighter, or if you screw it out, that will be wider. So you need to set it so it's just less than the girth of your screw. So I've already set it. You need to clamp it there, force it together. To get them back off, you need to push this bit here. So if we clamp it on, and we can undo it.